Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're looking at a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or pond owner: the plastic fountain nozzle set by Hottche. If you're looking to add flair and oxygenation to your garden pond or tabletop fish tank, this might just be your perfect solution. The Hottche plastic fountain nozzle set is designed to aerate and decorate your water features effortlessly. It comes in a set of 15 pieces, featuring 3 distinct fountain shapes that cater to different aesthetic preferences and water flow patterns. Whether you prefer a classic fountain, a gentle rainfall effect, or a dramatic water column, this set has you covered. With an included adjustable switch, you can customize the height of the fountain according to your needs, ensuring a perfect fit for any size of pond or water feature. Designed for compatibility with water pumps featuring a 1x2-inch outlet. Installation is straightforward, provided your pump meets the specified diameter requirements. Made from high-quality plastic, these nozzles are built to last and withstand outdoor conditions. The set includes 4 fountain nozzles, 8 long pipes, 2 short pipes, 2 connector pipes, and an adjustable switch. Each nozzle is carefully crafted to provide specific water patterns, enhancing both the visual appeal and the health of your aquatic environment. In terms of performance, the Hottche plastic fountain nozzle set does not disappoint. It efficiently aerates your pond, promoting oxygenation, which is crucial for fish and plant health. The adjustable valve allows you to control the water flow, adapting to varying water pressures to achieve optimal results. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for outdoor fountain parts that combine functionality with visual appeal, the Hottche plastic fountain nozzle set is definitely worth considering. From easy installation to versatile fountain patterns, it ticks all the boxes for enhancing your outdoor water feature experience. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy pond keeping!